In this video, I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi network a Samsung Smart TV. To get started, go ahead and open your TV and click on the settings tab on your TV. In here, go ahead and head over to all settings tab, and under that, go ahead and head over to connection. Now under connection, go ahead and head over to network. Click on open network settings, and in here you'll be able to find all of the available network type that you can connect to. You can go ahead and connect your TV to a wireless network or a wired network, and since we want to connect to a Wi-Fi, we'll select wireless from this network type tab. Now in here you'll need to go ahead and click on that specific Wi-Fi network to where you want to connect and enter the password to that Wi-Fi network to be able to connect to the Wi-Fi. So click on that OK button or that done button to confirm that the password that you've entered is correct, and your TV should now be connected to your Wi-Fi. So you can go ahead and check by going to the network status in the settings. And that's basically how you can connect to Wi-Fi network on Samsung Smart TV. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.